still there, but all the other ones are broken up. I'm gonna thank my auntie from giving me the ice cream scooper. Now into a glass. Now into a glass. So into a glass, I'm just popping in some vanilla ice cream. Now hold my vanilla ice cream on Austin's Kitchen before, and I will pop a link to that video.
We never made homemade ice cream.
And then we're just gonna now grab our M&Ms. Grab our M&Ms. I'm just gonna put them right in. Just some mix. Butter, the ice cream, the milk, and then just grab a serving glass if you want to, or a bowl if you want to put it in there, and then just pop a McFlurry mixed right in. That out. Oh yeah. Okay, let's get stuck in.
The junk.
The crunching of the McFlurry is so very good. You guys take care. You take care, and I'll see you Monday. I'll see you this Wednesday for What You Want Wednesday. Okay.
And what is today's meal? Monday. What is Monday?
Budget meal is Monday.
Is that a budget meal?
Yeah. Thanks for tuning in Austin's Kitchen. Aloha. See ya. Live Pono.